Jigglypuff, why are you so fat? Anything? That's my question. And how come you're not moving?
Because I'm gay.
Why are you not with me?
Because I'm gay.
Okay. Whoa, why are you all of a sudden moving? Get out of my way. You're a jerk. Don't walk away from me. Oh, you're walking. No, get back here. No, not that way. No, not that way either. Here, go up. Gosh, you're such a jerk. Get back here. I am Toon Link. You do not do anything to annoy me. What are you doing? What do you want?
I'm gay.
Seriously, what do you... What? Whoa, whoa, no, no, no! Hey, I'm alive. Now I'm gonna kill you. What the heck? I said I'm gonna kill you. Ah! Gosh. Idiot. Say huh? Don't. What? Yeah, walk off the edge. You deserve it. Good job. What? She can come to life too? And why is it all dark down here? That's creepy. Like right. It's just right below my waist. It's scary. Well, anyways. I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay. No, you're not gay. You're staying here. You're staying here. No. You're not going into that middle. No, no, no. Stay out. It's my part of the... No, don't go off the edge. No, you're my pet. Don't go in there. God pet. Go away.
I'm gay. I'm gay. I'm gay.
Stupid pet. Stop saying you're gay. You're mental. Not gay. It's mental. There we go. What the heck? Why does she keep on getting revived? Jigglypuff.
Maybe you should try not only doing a grab.
Fine. There, get that. Well, I'm gonna eat some popcorn now. Some pretty good popcorn. Oh my gosh, it's gonna explode! More popcorn. Oh crap, it's gonna explode! Oh, that was close. You! Get back here! You want popcorn, right? I'm gay. I'll take that as a yes. Ow! Eat your popcorn! Eat it. Well...